For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a candy business can be both a sweet adventure and a profitable one. The candy industry thrives year-round, driven by holidays, special events, and everyday cravings. With the help of free artificial intelligence tools, launching a candy business has become more accessible than ever. AI can assist in idea generation, planning, marketing, design, and even customer engagement. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process of starting your own candy business using free AI tools to save time, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Step 1. Define your candy niche and target market. The first step is to decide what type of candy you want to make and who you want to sell it to. Will you make chocolate truffles, vegan gummies, nostalgic hard candies, or sugar-free options? Use ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, to brainstorm candy ideas and evaluate target markets. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Give me 10 unique candy business ideas, each with a description of the ideal customer base and possible product lines. ChatGPT can help you compare different niches by analyzing trends, dietary preferences, and local market needs. Once you've chosen your niche, ask ChatGPT to help identify your ideal customer profile, including demographics, buying behavior, and pain points. Step 2. Conduct market research. Now you'll need to validate your idea through market research. Free AI-powered tools like Google Trends and ChatGPT can help you understand the demand for specific types of candy in various regions. Use this prompt in ChatGPT. Analyze the current trends in the candy market and list key opportunities and threats for a small startup in the niche of insert candy type. You can also use free surveys created with Google Forms and analyze responses using Google Sheets AI features, which can summarize feedback, detect patterns, and visualize preferences. Additionally, feed sample customer reviews or feedback in a ChatGPT to get insights on what customers like or dislike in competitor products. Step 3. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan is essential for guiding your candy business. Use ChatGPT to generate a full plan by providing information about your goals, niche, pricing, and resources. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a candy business plan for a startup that sells insert candy type, including an executive summary, business model, market analysis, operations plan, and financial projections. This plan can be tailored or exported into tools like Notion, Google Docs, or Canva Docs for professional presentation. Your business plan will help you define your costs, pricing strategy, and expected revenue streams. Step 4. Develop your brand identity. Branding plays a critical role in attracting and retaining customers. Use AI image generators like Microsoft Designer or Canva's free AI tools to create logos, color palettes, and packaging mockups. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm brand names, slogans, and product names. Prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest 15 catchy and unique brand names for a candy business specializing in organic fruit chews, along with a slogan for each. You can then request a brand voice guide or content strategy by asking, write a branding guide for chosen brand name, including tone of voice, colors, visual style, and messaging strategy. This branding kit will guide you in your future packaging, social media presence, and website design. Step 5. Design your candy recipes and test products. Once you know what type of candy you want to make, develop and test your recipes. AI can support you by modifying standard recipes to meet dietary preferences or constraints. Use ChatGPT to assist in developing recipes or modifying ingredients. Prompt. Give me a basic recipe for vegan strawberry gummies using natural sweeteners and suggest ways to enhance shelf life. While actual cooking and testing require hands-on work, ChatGPT can suggest cost-saving ingredients, guide you through the production process, and ensure compliance with local food safety standards. Step 6. Set up your business legally and logistically. To operate legally, you must register your business, obtain the necessary licenses, and meet health regulations. Use ChatGPT to draft the required documents or understand your obligations. Prompt: what licenses and permits do I need to start a home-based candy business in your state or country? Summarize the steps and links to apply, if available. You can also ask it to write an operating agreement or privacy policy. Draft a simple LLC operating agreement for a candy business in your state. For production logistics, ChatGPT can help set up a workflow, including inventory management, equipment checklists, and sourcing packaging materials from affordable suppliers. Step 7. Create a website and online store. Your candy business needs an online presence to reach customers. Free website builders like Wix, Card, or Canvas sites, combined with ChatGPT, can help you create a great website. ChatGPT can write your homepage copy, product descriptions, and policies. Prompt: write product descriptions for handmade lollipops in 5 different flavors. Make them sound fun, tasty, and appealing to kids and parents. For e-commerce, you can use free Shopify trial plans or free alternatives like Ecwid or Big Cartel. ChatGPT can assist with navigation structure, customer FAQ pages, and even email autoresponders. Step 8. Develop a marketing plan. Marketing is vital to growing your candy brand. Use ChatGPT to generate your full marketing strategy, including online and offline methods. Prompt: create a complete marketing plan for a startup candy brand with a $500 monthly budget. Include social media, influencer outreach, events, and email marketing. For social media posts, write 10 engaging Instagram captions to promote colorful, handmade candy to teens and young adults. Use Canva's free AI tools to design visuals and video content, and tools like Buffer or Meta Business Suite to schedule posts. Step 9. Launch your candy business. Once your branding, website, and product line are ready, plan a small launch campaign. AI can help design promotional content, write press releases, and structure launch emails. Prompt: write a launch announcement email for a new candy business specializing in retro-style hard candies. Make it friendly, nostalgic, and exciting. You can also create a customer referral program with help from ChatGPT and track engagement using free CRM tools like HubSpot Starter. Conclusion: starting a candy business doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming when you leverage the power of free AI tools. With ChatGPT guiding your ideas, planning, writing, and marketing, and tools like Canva, Google Trends, and Site Builder supporting your branding and digital presence, you can turn your candy-making passion into a profitable venture. With creativity, AI support, and dedication, your sweet business dreams can become a reality faster than you imagined. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.